to see her.
바다 너무 가까이 가지 마.
You like it, huh?
I like to touch it.
No, but you don't want to touch it because you might hurt your finger, you know? You don't listen? You gotta listen. I want you to hurt your finger.